in any scheme of education. What is the importance of this subject in life? What are the aims of this subject? It will be seen that these questions pertain to the same aspects, that is the educational values of mathematics. First of all, what is meant by mathematics? Mathematics is a body of knowledge. Body of knowledge is centered on concepts of quality, structure, shape, space, and change with the artistic disciplines. The term mathematics is derived from Greek. Its meaning is to learn and study, and science and art. The adjective of mathematics is given by Greek is simply known as learning and studies. According to the Latin, it is an art. The concepts of mathematics have been alternatively increasing new ideas. The mathematics has been used earlier for calculating. The basic knowledge of mathematics has been the internal and integral part of individual and group of life. Counting, notation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, buying, selling, and many more are simple and fundamental as there are many more modern methods are there. It is very important for studying mathematics. Some of them for you. Matrix are very useful for solving the system of simultaneous linear equations, linear transformations, and designing computer games, graphics and difficult dance steps also. The modern algebra, the matrix algebra is a stepping stone to the studying of modern algebra. Next, reasoning plays an important role in mathematics. It has the powerful influence of development new ideas. Finally, it is very important that most of our day-to-day activities are related to the mathematics. If a person mastering mathematics, he will definitely succeed in all aspects of